What does Grandpa have?
A Christmas tree.
A Christmas tree?
And that's Pooh? We've got Pooh?
Yeah.
We do have Pooh. You're right. Are you ready to do the Christmas tree?
Yes.
You are? Okay. Oh, gotta get out of Grandpa's way.
You want to help me carry it?
Yes.
Here, carry this man. Let's go. Let's go.
It's in
Hold
here.
on. Hold on. It's heavy.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. It is.
A kiss is here.
Let's go.
It is.
Good job, Aiden.
It's a puzzle.
It's like a puzzle. Yeah.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it is. Ow. It's a dog in there.
It,
It's just.
Is it a big box?
Yes.
Do you think we have a big tree?
Yes.
You think so?
Yeah.
it's little.
Let's see what it looks like.
These look big.
Yeah, what does it look like? Whoops, careful. What color is it?
Green.
It is, and oh, I think everything on top, those are lights. Grandpa likes lights.
Is it also light?
Those are all the lights.
Is the light light?
Yeah, Grandpa doesn't like lights.
No.
No, he does a really good job at putting them on,
Yes.
but for some reason, light bulbs don't always work.
The guy. Oh, Manu.
Oh, you're helping him? Well, let Grandpa do that so they don't come apart, okay?
Okay.
Thank you for trying to help, though. That was nice.
What?
Yeah, that's nice.
My guy come.
I got it.
Grandpa's got it now. Let go.
Let go.
He has to put it on that side, okay?
Let go.
Let go, Rita. Thank you. All right.
What's that?
That's called the stand. That's what the tree sits in.
Yes.
We have to put it together, just like you said, just like a puzzle.
Yes.
Are you ready to do that?
Yes.
Okay. Grandma's going to turn off the camera.